Puppet Show by Mahi and Ruhi. Merry Christmas, friends!
Hello friends! Today we are going to do a puppet show with my homemade puppets.
Wow!
Are you ready, Ruhi?
Yeah! I'm so excited!
Me too! Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's start! Oh,
Hello!
what is your name?
My name is Snowman.
Oh, nice name! My name is Santa. Ho, 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 ho! How are you?
I am fine.
That's good. I am too. Do you want a present?
Yes?
Okay, I will give you. Ho, 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 ho!
I get present?
Yes, I give present to good children.
Yeah! I'm good child.
Okay, that's nice. I will get the presents for you. Oh, hello. My name is Reindeer. I'm a friend of Santa.
Okay. Do you know who Santa is?
Yeah, I know. He's getting the presents for you and me too. Because I help him every day.
Oh, okay.
He's coming. I'm very excited for my gift. Are you too?
I am too.
Okay, he's coming.
Hi Santa.
Oh, hello again.
Do you have a gift?
Yes, I do.
Show me. Me too.
Wait. Close your eyes first.
I close my eyes.
Okay. Ta-da!
Wow!
Okay, this one's for you, and this one is for my pet, reindeer.
Yay! Wow! Beautiful present. So pretty. Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's go, reindeer.
Yay!
Come, let's go. Okay, Santa. Bye-bye, snowman.